Alright, so we are back for another exciting sound test today. And of course, today we have the CRNs versus other popular ones in the $30 range. Of course, we have the VK4 first because that's the closest, brother in the tuning. Of course, we have the ZEX, the other electrostat driver. You have the ZSN Pro X's. We have the DQ6 as well. And the DQ6 is my favorite before for the $30 range, and now the CRNs are my favorite. Of course, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. It will be still up to you which one you prefer. And of course, if you want to get either one of these, use my links down in the description below. That will help out the channel a lot. And of course, let's start the sound test now.
To say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No. And I ain't never gonna stop.